5 of chapter 7. Sultan Beled died on Saturday, the 10th of Rajab, the 7th month, Al-Hijra 712, so the 11th of November, 1312 of the Common Era. He had as many as a dozen children by his wife, Fatima, daughter of the Sheikh Salahuddin Feridun, the gold beater, but they all died in infancy immediately after birth, or ere they were 6 months old. At length, on a Monday, the 8th day of the month, Zul Qa'ada, Al-Hijra 670. So about the 6th of May, I don't know if that was the cross-quarter night or day, but it could have been, of 1272 of the Common Era. His son and successor, Chalabi Emir Arif, was born. Soon after his birth, or when only a few months old, the Emir Arif, at the invitation of his grandfather Jalaluddin, and in the hearing of a numerous circle of assembled friends, thrice pronounced audibly and distinctly God's great name. His father prophesied thence that he would be a very great saint and would sit in the seat of his own successorship. After his father, Sultan Beled, the Emir Arif lived about 50 years, surviving his father, however, the short term of 8 or 9 summers. And the beauty and truth of religion of Islam, 122:1. So I'm thinking that we're seeing a list of chapters, but I guess the sound in the background might, or is getting too loud to continue today.